Hi, this is Inform TV 100. The collard greens are done, so let's take a look. The Instapot, the pressure cooker, is off. It's 0, so we're just waiting to cool off so we can check out the greens. And also, guys, so we've had these beans, they soaked, the black eyed peas, they have been soaking for a while. So we're going to do that. So I'm just releasing the steam on the Instapot so we can get to the greens faster. Open up the thing and do the greens. So, yeah, this is what we're doing. We're just waiting, and we're gonna plate them up, bowl them up, and let's see our vegetarian collard greens. So I'm going to be eating. So we are just waiting for that steam to stop. It's almost stopped. And so we'll take a look inside. This is Inform TV 100. We are cooking our collard greens. And we are doing black eyed peas. So the black eyed peas were supposed to soak. So they did soak a couple of hours. And so now we are going to open up the Instapot. I'm going to turn this. And hey, I'll look inside. Let's see how the collards came out. Oh my God, looks delicious. Look at that, absolutely delicious with the onions and the different seasonings. Okay, so we're gonna plate these up. We're gonna put them in a bowl. Delicious. Our New Year's reset. Cooking is a good, relaxing. Yeah, so this is really most of the greens. Look, guys. Oh, yum, yum. We will get a taste. Let this cool off. Okay, and so while that pot is cooling off, I'm going to give the black eyed peas a final rinse. So we're gonna. I love this 2-piece bowl. I love this 2-piece, so we get to give that a rinse. And give it a rinse. And everything fell at the bottom. All the dirt and grime and everything fell at the bottom. These have been washed multiple times. And then we are going to place them in the pots with our seasonings. This is Inform TV 100. This was our reset, our cooking. And so now we're gonna go over to the greens. And rinse rinse out the pot. And this is all vegetarian, it's all vegan. We didn't put meat in there. If you could taste it, you would see why. With the smoke and the spices, you didn't get the sodium or the fat. So you can cook them both ways. Okay, so yeah, so now we're gonna up the pot in the Instapot, and we're going to take the beans. Okay. So that was 1 pound of beans, and we're gonna put about water in to cover it. What you want to do is you want to cover it. The black eyed peas, you want to cover them with water. And then they're going to cook for about an hour. So this is Inform TV 100. We are cooking the black eyed peas. Let's see. So we're gonna put the water in there. And now we're gonna put our spices. We're gonna put a little bit of the smoked spice. A little bit goes a long ways. That's the tap of the brown. A little bit of spice. A little bit of spice, just a little bit. And put a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning garlic. No salt, no soda. Nothing will raise your blood pressure. And now we're going to cut up a bit of onions. Cut up a little bit more onions. We're gonna cook that in there. And then garnish. I'm gonna get a good. See, there you go. Okay. Put the onions. We're gonna cook for 1 hour. So we're gonna cook 45 minutes. Okay, so that's it. We're waiting for the black eyed peas. And now we're gonna just get some greens. Get a little bowl and I'll taste the greens and let's see. Okay. So we're gonna get just a little bit. Taste the collards. Just gonna get a little spoonful. Okay, guys. So we're doing our reset, guys. We're cooking. We're doing our reset, and we're taking you along. Start silverware was here, so I washed everything. I know that there's supposed to be clean, but okay, guys. So. Okay. Bon appetit. Oh my God. Simply, simply amazing. Oh my gosh. This is just, I wish you could taste another. Here, another for you. Oh, delicious. Okay, guys. So this is Inform TV 100. We're cooked. Our collard greens are done. Now we're waiting for the black eyed peas to get done. Bye for now. Bye. Watch for the next video. Bye. And let's see the black eyed peas in 45 minutes. Bye now. Take care. Be good to yourself as well as others. Bye for now. Bye. We'll see you in the next video.